Hello, and welcome to the demo of the Pipeline Intelligence Agent. This agent actually takes notes, emails, phone calls, events like meetings that an agent, a sales agent, does with the customer from the previous day. It analyzes all of those records, all that activity that's related to their opportunities in their pipeline. And then based on that analysis, it suggests next steps. So this is a great way for an AE to stay on top of their pipeline every single day. Here's my pipeline view. And in this pipeline view, you can see this agent activity. So the LLM behind the scenes has analyzed all the work that I've done yesterday for these opportunities. And based on that work, it has asked me, or it has suggested that I do a few things. So let's review. So when we click on review, we can see that it's thinking and it's asking me to update the stage and it's asking me to update the next steps on the opportunity. This agent can be extended to update any opportunity field like close date, amount, even quoting, submitting for approvals, anything like that. But in this case, it's updating the stage. And why is it updating the stage? Okay, it's giving me a rationale. And this rationale is based on my definitions of my opportunity stages. And in fact, this agent can be extended to use your sales motions, your sales process. And based on this rationale, I, as the rep, can easily update, edit, or decline. And I can give feedback to the LLM as well on how helpful this suggestion is. Now, where I'm getting this information is from a source. In this case, we only have one source for this demo org, which is Discovery Call Notes for this customer. But this can be extended to, as I said, emails, meeting notes, recordings if you're doing moving any recordings into Salesforce. All that will then feed this AI, and then it comes in with your rationale. And as a user, all I have to do is either update or edit and change the stage that way. So let's go ahead and accept the rationale. And that automatically updates it here. So now it also wants me to update the next steps. And this is the next step that it suggests. Again, I can edit, I can decline, I can update. Let's say I don't like this, and I can just go ahead and give feedback to the LLM, and I'll decline. And what I would do every single day as a rep in the morning, go through, review my pipeline, everything in my pipeline, review the recommendations, check out the sources, the rationale is needed, and quickly make the updates I need. And when the update is just for one step, like you only have to update the next step here, the AI agent, the Agentforce agent doesn't think that updating the stage makes sense here. It'll only give me that option, and I can actually update it directly from the list view here without even popping up the sidebar. Really, really handy. And then within the updates, you can see that it lets you know, are the stages moving backwards or forwards, and it can color codes everything to make it easy for you to view your pipeline. So that's the Pipeline Intelligence Agent in a nutshell. Thank you very much.